Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I shape this look in this video. So if you want to see and know how I shape it, please keep watching. So first thing, I need some music to keep this going. So I'm going to just put on some music. So I've already did my brows off camera. So right now I'm going in with MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW45. So I'm using that to clean up my brows and also going to apply it on my lid. That will serve as the base for the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm using this shade right here from Kiko Milano eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna apply that eyeshadow I just showed you the color. I'm gonna apply that on the crease. That will serve as my first transition color. So, and also for this look, I didn't set the concealer with powder, so I just went ahead and applied the eyeshadow directly on top of the concealer. So right now I'm just going ahead to blend out the eyeshadow. Your waistline, oh, yeah. More time, no day to waste time. So next I'm going in with this brown shade right there from the same palette. I'm going to be focusing that on the outer corner of my eyes and move it a little bit towards the inner corner of my eyes, and also focusing on blending out the top line of the shade. Just make sure to blend it all together. I'm blending the brown shade and also the jade where I applied earlier for the transition color. Blending the top parts together to make it the line seamless. So next I'm going in with this shade right here. I'm going to be applying that on top of the concealer. Doing the same thing, I didn't set the concealer. I'm applying the eyeshadow directly on top of the concealer. You can set it if you want, or you can just apply the eyeshadow on top directly. So for liner, I'm using a Kiko Milano black gel liner. Just using that to do my wing line. So after doing my wing line, I'm gonna go in with black eyeshadow from the same palette. I'm going to be using that to fade out the top line of the wing liner. So right here I'm going in with a smaller brush. So using that and using the black eyeshadow, I'm going into fade out the top part of the wing line, just gently blending it out. So I went ahead and applied my eyelash off camera. So next I'm moving on to foundation. So today I'm using a Sephora foundation in the shade Deep Dark Ebony. Yep, Deep Dark Ebony. So I'm just using a foundation brush to apply that into the skin. Also focusing on under my eyes and also my smile line. Just softly applying that into the skin. So for the top part, I'm going to be using the edge of the brush, and I'm going to be using that to fade out the concealer on top of the brows. Just right there, just gently. for blush, I'm going in with this Sephora colorful blush in the shade Oh My Gosh. So yeah, I like this blush because it gives me kind of a warm finish to my makeup.